Imagine creating 100 different ready-to-publish video ads in less than 10 minutes. No editing, no director, and no waiting. You already know that video ads are the future of marketing. But the problem? Producing a single high-quality 𝘽𝙎𝙎 video costs between $200 and $500 and takes 1 to 2 weeks. And with every A/B test that requires a new video, you're forced to start from scratch. But what if I told you that you can now turn a single product image plus simple rules, like style, duration, and text direction, into 100 different ads in just 10 minutes? That's exactly what Renoise does. Renoise is the first video generation API designed specifically for AI agents. You can install the Renoise skill inside Claude Code, Codex, 𝘽𝙐𝙎𝙎, or OpenClaw, and from there, start producing videos directly within your workflow. Forget CapCut, forget Premiere, forget Final Cut. With Renoise, your AI agent becomes your new editor. Just tell it what you need. Turn these images into 50 TikTok ads, and it handles everything, from script writing to final export. No learning curves, no timelines, just video production at the click of a button. Let's see how it works step by step. First, sign up for a free account on Renoise AI. Second, either use Renoise directly from your desktop, no need for Claude Code, or install the skill inside Claude Code if you're subscribed. Third, upload your product image or choose a real face using the FacePass feature. Fourth, write your instructions, such as create 30 short ads in 𝘽𝙎𝙎 style with different ad copies, each 15 seconds long. Fifth, press enter. In less than 10 minutes, you'll receive 100 ready-to-publish video clips in professional quality and in multiple formats suitable for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. This is not sequential production. This is parallel large-scale production. What makes Renoise videos different? The answer: 𝘽𝙎𝙎𝙎 2.0. Renoise is built directly on the most powerful video generation engine available today. This isn't just silent clip generation. We're talking about fully integrated visual and audio content in a single shot, with quality that rivals cinematic production. And the usability rate reaches up to 90%, compared to an industry average of just 20%. That means 9 out of 10 videos generated by Renoise are ready for advertising without any editing. That's the difference between a typical tool and a true production engine. And with the release of FacePass powered by 𝘽𝙎𝙎𝙎 2.0, you can upload a single real face and generate 100 video ads featuring the same influencer or actor, without reshooting, without casting, and without agency budgets. Imagine having one influencer and being able to place them in 100 different scenarios, in multiple languages, with varied facial expressions, all from a single image. This is real scalability for e-commerce content. And there's more. We've gathered the most popular 𝘽𝙎𝙎𝙎 2.0 templates shared by creators worldwide and brought them together in one place: Renoise.ai/templates. Why? Because we believe great templates deserve to be rewarded. If you find your template there and prove ownership, we share the revenue with you. You're not just a user, you're a partner in the platform's success. The bottom line? Renoise is not just a video tool. It's a full-scale production line for e-commerce ads, running inside your AI agent in Claude Code, Codex, or 𝘽𝙎𝙎𝙎. Speed, scale, cinematic quality, and negligible cost compared to traditional methods. Whether you're a marketer, store owner, or ad agent, you can now create videos at commercial scale, with professional quality, in record time. Don't wait 2 weeks for a single video. Try Renoise today for free. Go to the link in the video description, sign up for a free account, and start generating your first 10 videos within minutes. Renoise. Create videos at scale, powered by your AI agent, inside Claude Code, Codex, and 𝘽𝙎𝙎𝙎. The registration link is in the description and the pinned comment. Renoise AI, ads at scale with cinematic quality.